Alright everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at the Flytec T19. This is a little quadcopter with the lights all flashing around inside. It's kind of like the T21, but this is the larger version of it. Now I am going to say that this is the Monday morning Chinese hangover edition of the Flytec T19. Okay, so you're going to see when I lay this stuff out here. You'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, let me get the stuff. Alright, here's what we got right here. As you see, or as you don't see, the manual and the bag of stuff is not in here. So that stuff was forgotten. No big deal. We have a battery. That's the main thing, okay? At least they put the battery in here, and this is a, heck, I can't even read that. A 550, 3.7 550, right there. And the charger was in there too. And usually the charger is in the bag with the spare props and the screwdriver, but this time it was out of it. So it may have been a return. You know, who knows? Maybe that's why this stuff's out of there. Here's the quadcopter itself. There's the battery compartment right there. There's the cable to hook up the battery. It's a JST connector. There's the on and off switch, so that's nice that it has an on and off switch right there. So that's pretty cool. It looks nice. Yeah, it looks good. Here's the transmitter here. Has a little instruction label on the front of it. And it's laid out real nice too. No problem. On the back, you know, it has your little 360 flips and your rates. You see the rates with the arrows. Right there's the flips. Has your return to home right here. I guess that's your headless mode there. Here's your takeoff and land. So that's all you need, right? And I'm sure if you go down and out or down and in with these, or down to the left or down to the right, that'll do the level calibration, right? Okay, so that's not complex. So who cares? Who cares if they got drunk and forgot to put the stuff in? We don't need that stinking stuff. I mean, how are you going to break a prop on this thing, right? You're not. And who needs a screwdriver? You only need a screwdriver to change the props you didn't get. So it doesn't matter that they didn't put the screwdriver in there, right? All right, let me get over there and fly it, and we'll see how it works out. All right, guys, we're out here with the Flytec T19. We're going to give it a little indoor flight here. Turn that on. I think that's the front. I'm not even sure, to be honest with you. I got to be honest, I'm not sure. We'll bind it up. I'm trying to calibrate it, but I don't see. It's not doing it, or it don't need it, one or the other. Oh well, let's just take off. Who cares, right? I'll put the clock in for the flight time. So the green is in the front. Okay, the flips are very lumbering. So you better, if you're going to fly it indoors, when you're going to do a flip, you're going to have to do it low to the ground. Let's try the third rate here. It's not bad, except it just
It's not bad. It just has that, when you're pushing on the steering, when you're trying to accelerate it once it dives down to the ground, you have to get used to compensating for that. You know, you just got to adjust the throttle a little bit while you're flying it. I would say this is more like a backyard type thing than a indoor. It's a little large for being in the house. I mean, it flies no problem. We'll try to bump it off the wall here. But I think it would be better suited for out in the backyard. Yeah, to get the most out of this thing, you're gonna have to take it outside, because I can't even give it the full throttle, the full pitch, because it'll be going too fast to be able to turn it. So I'm only actually goosing the throttle just like halfway right now. So. This thing would actually be pretty fast, actually, outside. It's a little clunky, but I mean, it's okay. Let's get the rate down to the first rate. That's ultra slow. There's the first rate right there. There, I'm up at the second rate now. Up. I think the battery might be crapping out. Maybe not. If the altitude hold on this thing is a little, yeah, there goes the lights. They're pulsating now. That means the battery's going bad. Yeah, there it goes. All right, I'll put the flight time in there. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. You know, there's better, there's worse. You know how that goes, right? Yeah, it's doable, but I think outside you would get the most pleasure with this thing because it's a lot faster than I could show you in here. You know, like I said, I was only going, you know, half pitch, half throttle on it inside here. So outside, it's going to probably be a lot more challenging to fly, a lot more fun. So a lot more, get more room to be able to do more with it. All right, guys, there you go, the Flytec T19, a classic, a legend. All right, guys, have a nice day.